Top 5 Elementor WordPress Themes at TemplateMonster Marketplace. Looking for a perfect theme for Elementor? In this video, you can find the best Elementor WordPress themes based on customers' buying preferences at TemplateMonster Elementor Marketplace. Asendio. Businessman WordPress theme suits any type of businesses, companies, and corporate sites. This lightweight, responsive, and customizable theme is an all-purpose solution for different types of businesses. Thanks to responsive nature and valid, semantic code, users will be able to view your site on handheld devices in a matter of seconds. Advanced Admin Panel and Rich UI Kit open a wide range of opportunities, and you can tweak this theme to have a unique look and feel. Elementor Drag and Drop Page Builder allows you to modify the layout of the template without touching a line of code. JohnnyGo. Meet JohnnyGo, a well-documented and SEO-friendly WordPress theme with multiple skins for all kinds of home service websites. JohnnyGo is devised for handyman, plumber, and repair services. Robust plugins provide excellent functionality. The theme has WooCommerce plugin on board and is fully stuffed with cherry projects, services, team members, and testimonials plugins. So it is granted that you'll be able to reach your target audience. You'll be able to build content on the run with Elementor Live Page Builder, and a full pack of Jet elements will provide extra functionality. JohnnyGo has efficient user interface. It's easy to install and customize. Stand out on the web with JohnnyGo WP theme. Frameme. Frameme is the most practical solution for building a successful website for a photo studio. We offer you an amazing, highly responsive design. With the wide range of customization, you will be able to change the appearance of the website whenever needed. Need to share a set of statements from satisfied customers? Setting up testimonials has never been easier. Need to discuss a particular issue with customers? Use our trusty personal blog feature. With Contacts page, your customers will always know how to communicate with you and navigate their way to your company. Dezingo. You can easily add various blocks, objects, and elements using Live Customizer and create your unique site's layout with Drag and Drop Elementor Page Builder. Need to share your thoughts with customers? You can always write via our handy personal blog feature. Your website will be available all over the world and on all known devices. A rich variety of plugins coming with Dezingo is a perfect set to craft your website and empower with strong functionality. Don't miss the chance to engage new clients to your startup business. Imperio. If you need a hassle-free theme for a profitable business marketing website, build your site with this top-notch Imperio WordPress theme. It comes with an elegant and an ultra-responsive design and cross-browser compatibility. Thus, your visitors will enjoy a great site's performance on any modern device and in any web browser. Imperio has a captivating and well-structured about page, so feel free to present your business in the best light the way you like. These expertly crafted by web developers, Elementor WordPress themes give you an opportunity to build powerful and beautiful websites in the fastest and easiest way possible. You don't have to be a professional to create and present your website now.